join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack." But only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out to play, splashing in the water all the way. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack." But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out to play, waddling, swimming through the day. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack." But only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out to play, flapping their wings in a happy way. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack." But only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out to play, thinking it might be a very long day. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack." But none of the little ducks came back. Sad Mama duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. The 5 little ducks heard her say, "Quack, quack."